Hey guys, I'm at work. Just received my ring lights from Killimal. They just arrived today. So I guess this is a tripod, and then this box has the ring light itself. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. You can't even imagine. I'm so happy. I just can't wait to reach home, and then I just put them together. So happy. From today my lighting is going to be top notch on the tops. I just do a video, an unboxing video for this, and then we'll see how it goes.
The next day.
So guys, this is my tripod and my ring lights. They arrived yesterday, so I'm doing an unboxing video just to see it and then to put them together. Let me open the tripod and see. They've been sealed. This is a tripod. I think this is how it's open. It should be open. Oh my god. Yes. Let me just tighten it a bit. And then this one, let me put the ring light first. Then I think this is how it's tied with a tripod. See, I'm I think it's tight enough. And this one should be here. And you can put your phone here and then you adjust it the angle that you want it. Then there's this other thing. You put it here, I think. It should be placed here. I don't even know. What is this one for? Oh, there's a way this one also can be adjusted. Yeah. Yes. Oh my god. Things are falling apart. You have to be careful with these parts because zikipotea. And I think this one should come down here. Okay. I don't know how this one is. This one will stick.
"2,000 years later."
So it has two phone holders. You can use this one, and then it also has this one here. Okay, so this one I think you can use it maybe when you're shooting on a table, and then you're seated somewhere, and then this one you can do it when you're standing. Okay, so let me show you an example. That's your phone. That's one way you can use to shoot it, and then you can also move it to, there's this other way. You can also put this here. Then you put your phone here. Okay. Then this one here, you can put your phone. Here and record. Or you can put it like this if you want to record in a horizontal position. So let me connect it on power. Let me charge it a bit, and then you'll see how it lights up. Then these are the buttons to press when you want to change the lighting. So that's the ring light. It's charging. This is how it shows that it's charging. I don't know if it will light up now. Yay! Double check. Then when you want to change the lighting, I think you press here. Yeah. And then that's the next lighting. I think it has 3 types of lighting. What?